you will find that it's easy to link information to your presentations using the URL command. You can use it for references or to provide more in-depth information. This will be what we do in Task 3. If you click on the red cube in the middle of the task wall, you will see that it's linked to the Google search page. And here's today's Google search loading. You can close that window with the X at the top right-hand corner. Now we're going to make our own, so I'm going to copy one of these signs, bring it forward using the page down arrow where I can work on it. I'm going to put the name of my school in my sign. And you can see that I didn't get all of the text. You want to check and make sure. And then it's going to be a forest green sign again. I'm going to give a semicolon and then the trigger activate and the command URL and the website. Okay, let's see if it works. There we go. It's loading a page. It looks like it's Cornell. In fact, it is. All right.